children, welcome to our Hero Kids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. And children, look what we will do now. Our first activity is we are going to read picture book. What we are going to read? We are going to read picture book, and this is your picture book, and your picture book is of words. Okay, so let us look. What picture are there? Yes, and there are a lot of pictures. So children, what is this? Look children, what is this? It is a plane. It is a plane, and plane flies in air. So plane is a air transport. Plane is a air transport. And then what we have? We have a lorry. We have a lorry, and children, lorry is a road transport. Lorry is a road transport because lorry runs on road. So lorry is a road transport. And what we have? What is this? It is sun. It is sun, and sun starts with letter S. Sun starts with letter S. And children, tell me at what time you will see sun? You can see sun at what time? At night? No, we can see sun at daytime. At daytime we can see sun. Okay children? So what is this? It is a helicopter. It is a helicopter, and helicopter is a air transport. And why we use helicopter? I have already told you. We use helicopter to do rescue operation. To do rescue operation. Okay children? And what is this? It is a hot air balloon. It is a hot air balloon. Okay children? And hot air balloon is also a air transport. Okay children? We use hot air balloon. And children, what is this? It is a car. It is a car, and car is a water transport? No, car is a road transport. Car is a road transport because car runs on road. Car runs on road. And children, look, what is this? It is a bicycle. It is a bicycle, and bicycle is also a road transport. Okay children, bicycle is also a road transport. So children, today we are going to review air transport. So what is air transport? Our aeroplane. Look, aeroplane flies in air. So aeroplane. Aeroplane is a air transport. And children, if you want to travel on an aeroplane, what you have to do? You have to first book your tickets. What you have to do? You have to first book your tickets. Okay children? And then what you have to do? After booking the tickets, you have to go to airport. Where you have to go? You have to go to airport. Children, repeat with me. We have to go to airport. Okay children? Just like the buses board on bus stop, aeroplane board on airport. Okay children? And the person who drives a bus or car is called a driver. I have told you. So the person who flies the aeroplane is called as, tell me, the person who flies the aeroplane is called pilot. The person who flies the aeroplane is called pilot. Okay children? So in the airport, when you go with your baggage, what will happen? You have to screen your body. You have to screen your luggage. Okay children? Because in aeroplane there are some restrictions. There are some restrictions on some things that you cannot take in aeroplane. Okay, children. So our air transport is aeroplane and helicopter. And a helicopter is used for rescue operation, and it is aeroplane. Okay, children. So now we will move towards our next activity. So children, our next activity is we are going to learn standing line. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn standing line. Okay, children. So we will make standing line in this 4-line slate. So children, look, there are 4 lines in this slate. First, red line on the top, then 2 blue line in the middle and 1 red line at the bottom. So we have 4 lines in our slate, and we are going to make standing line in this 4-line slate with the help of chalk. So let us make standing line, and you have to say standing line when you make a standing line. So let us make standing line. One more standing line. We will make one more standing line. We will make one more standing line. Okay, children. So how will you make it? You have to start from this top red line, and you have to end that line on this second blue line. Okay, children. So start from this top red line and make a standing line and stop it at second blue line. Okay, children. So we will make one more standing line, standing line, standing line. Okay, children. So these are standing lines. These are standing line. And children, do you know, by using this standing line, you can write several letters. Okay, children. So what you have to do? You have to make at least 10 standing lines in any 4-line copy. You have to practice it every day. Okay, children. So you will be helpful in writing. Okay, children. So now we will move towards our next activity. We will listen one rhyme. And what is the name of the rhyme? The name of the rhyme is London Bridge is falling down. So let's enjoy the